Hey, Sean here for the Rusty Shovel, and in this video I wanted to talk about some stair and deck lighting from Alliance Outdoor Lighting that we think is pretty cool and pretty easy to put in. So we've got it on display here. Comes in two different widths. And the really cool thing about this is that these type of fixtures with the louvered face, they work perfectly for going on stair treads. They're fantastic. You can use them on walls as well. But these fixtures typically have had a giant gang box on the back, so a big square that you basically have to kind of cut out to be able to slot into place. The really nice thing about these guys is that they're flat on the back. That's what the back looks like. Very cool, modern looking fixture, brass. Comes with a 25-foot lead on it to get back to your main wire to go back to your transformer. But super good looking fixture, provides light where you need it, not staring you in the eyes when you come up your stairs. And really all it is for installation is a pilot hole out the back for the wire to be able to go through behind your stairs or behind your wall, and then two screws will mount into your stair tread. So that's it. Quick little waterproof wire connector back to your transformer and away you go. So super easy fixture to install from Alliance, and we've got them on display here at the Rusty Shovel.